So there's this trend, the bucket show trend, this particular trend that has been trending on Instagram and TikTok. And this is how you can join this trend. That's what this video is all about. So you need two apps. You need the TikTok app and you need the CapCut app. The CapCut app is a video editing app. It has the free version and it also has the paid version, but you can use the free version. So let me show you how to use it. Okay, so for this tutorial you need to go to the sound on TikTok, because trends start from TikTok. Go to the sound on TikTok and find a video that has CapCut on it with the sound on TikTok. So once you see it, you click on CapCut. It will bring you to a new window that says open use template in CapCut, and then you click on use template in CapCut and it will bring you to CapCut. Make sure you have CapCut, the CapCut app downloaded. It's free. So it will bring you here and you see use template. So click on use template and you can select the photos you have. I currently already know what photos I want to use. So I will come to my favorites and just click on once you click on 15 pictures, it will just select it for you. It's automatically put it there for you. So I'm just going to keep on selecting as much as I want and just keep on selecting as much as I want until the last one. Then you click on preview.
That's it. Hey.
That's it. So you can either save to the device with the CapCut watermark, but you don't want to save to the device with the CapCut watermark because Instagram doesn't like watermark pictures. So you want to save and share to TikTok without the CapCut watermark. So it will save directly on your phone without it, but you don't open to TikTok. So it says try again. So I'm doing it again and it's ready to share, but I'm not sharing on TikTok, so not necessary. That's it. Make sure to tag somebody and also share and leave a comment. Bye. See you in the next video.